What is up, guys? This is Grizzly Cave number 7, I think. As you can tell, you can probably hear the birds. It is 3:30. It's out in the cave, really. We got someone coming from Cornerbrook, which is about 8-9 hours away. So yeah, he's coming in. We're gonna do snorkels and a rad kit for him. It's the wild boar actually snorkels. We haven't installed the wild boar snorkels or rad kit before. That's when like the snorkels come from the sides instead. I really don't think it's gonna be too much different than running the pipes. I am really interested to see actually how it works. And of course the rad kit isn't gonna be much different either, because all the rad kits are basically the same, just depends on the design. Just noticed I took out a bolt for someone else, so I need to put mine back in. See you guys tomorrow when John comes here, hopefully with coffee, see if he pulls through. Anyways, boys, Muddy Mills did pull through with copy. What are you at, Muddy Mills?
If I'm scrapping out a brand new Grizzly.
Yeah. 2019 this one is, boys. Like I was saying last night, snorkels and rad kits.
Actually, snorkels from Snorkel your ATV.
Oh, my bad, my bad. The rad kit is from Wild Boar. Snorkels is from Snorkel your ATV, more than usual. That's the snorkels coming out from the sides and all that cool stuff, guys. Like I said, we never done a snorkel kit that comes out here, but I believe you got two hoses that go through this compartment and wherever. I'm sure me and John will pretty much figure it out. Instructions are there he gave us, so. And rad kit's a rad kit, but you can't really change that up too much. But yeah, we're just gonna go at it and probably put it on a time lapse till the GoPro battery dies. We don't really know where to go from here. I don't know, it's the first rad kit, so John's just gonna clean up some weight reduction apparently. The snorkel tubes, air filters. So this is where our tuners are gonna plug in when we get them. And we're gonna light this guy up with some LED strips too. But we're gonna turn off the camera now and go NASCAR. Anything say before we goes at it?
It's hot.
It's hot. Well, boys, bike is back together. We're just putting together this rad kit.
Sweating.
Get her on. Doing the extensions for the rad now. We got it mounted already on the kit. We're gonna put that on and fill her up. Fan going. There's a fly in here. Yeah, rad kit is on her. We just need to connect all the hoses and all that good stuff. And we're gonna do snorkel kit. Record time, boys. It's like NASCAR.
With these lights
This is gonna be. This is a NASCAR install, boys. Usually this should take like 2 days if you're taking your time, like, you know, enjoying it. But me and John is going balls to the walls right now. Yeah. Boom. Yeah, radiator is installed up top. Looks good. Everything works. We got the bike up to 204.
206 on this one.
206 on this one. To get the fan going. Just to make sure it works. It was actually pretty easy. It took 4 hours. But Snorkel should probably take the same amount of time. Let's get food. Did you guys know? What was it, John? What was your fact?
French's ketchup is Canadian. My brother told me that.
What a smart guy.
Yeah, that's why he bought.
Anyways, another fact. John's never ever had a Baconator before in his life. Never. John says they're all right, but he needs lettuce. Like he needs lettuce, right?
And onion.
And onion. Well, we got the Snorkel, your ATVs almost halfway done. You gotta drill a hole here, here, and here in the box instead of just 2. You run one down here, and you got this one coming all the way down through and through the other side. This is definitely a lot more work than N2 Deep or other kits that have snorkels. Here, a lot more work, but it is what it is right now anyways. It is pretty interesting though to see like actually how it's going together and all that stuff. What you saying, Johnny boy?
Never, ever buy. Nick, you'll be the only person on the island with these on a Grizzly, I can tell you that.
Yeah, they look pretty cool.
Now.
They're not so cool to install.
No, they're a lot of work.
I mean, I would install them again, but I'd charge double than what we do. That took way too much. Especially when John has OCD and wants everything perfect, which is great. It's why our work is so good sometimes. Now that they're done, I'm thankful. Now boys, tell me this isn't sick. That's pretty cool, man. Front is deadly. Back is a little, back is different, but. Bike's done, boys. As you just seen the lights, that was a hard install because of the kit. Like I said before, looks awesome, looks really cool. Not so cool to install. I definitely, personally, if I was installing myself, I would definitely, like you see in John's in the background, 3 snorkels that come right up top. It's a lot easier. But hey, it was a fun experience, I guess. So it's cleanup time, really, because it looks like someone's been living in here for a couple months there. So anyways, guys, we're just waiting on Nick to pick up his quad. He should be here soon, hopefully. But in the meantime, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Check out Muddy Mills on Instagram. And me, OFFROAD Dan at OFFROAD Dan.
See you on the next one.
There you go. Peace out, guys.